Hi, my name is Naresh Kumar. I am working as an assistant manager at SNGB Group Sedayan Berhad. Currently, we are running a site for 16 months at Lancang Pahang. We just brought 4 units of Caterpillar 320 GC. We choose Caterpillar because we are operating 24 hours per day. So the fuel efficiency is important for us. Caterpillar offers us 13 liters per hour and a 20% lower fuel consumption. We choose CAT because they also offer product link and version link, which can collect data automatically from our assets. Information such as working hours, fuel consumption, maintenance alerts, location, machine health can be viewed online through a web and mobile application. We will highly recommend Caterpillar because it's easy to operate and much comfortable for our operators.
Nama saya Muhammad Nur Ridwan bin Muhammad Nasir. Saya seorang operator excavator. Pengalaman saya memandu excavator ini lebih kurang 5 tahun. Baru-baru ini company kami membeli excavator jenama Caterpillar model 320 GC yang mempunyai teknologi yang baru, membuat pemanduan yang selesa, teknologi yang baru, cepat dan kuat. Excavator ini selesa digunakan dan membantu kerja kami lebih efisien. Selama saya bekerja di sini sudah berapa model yang saya bawa, tetapi saya lebih suka pada model Caterpillar.
Hi, my name is Datuk Lee Chung Han. I'm the Group CEO of SMGB Group. So SMGB Group is an exploration and mining company. We've actually purchased 5, but I think 4 has been delivered. So far it's been great. The team is able to monitor the efficiency. Our experience is that so far running, we've been able to achieve 10 liters per hour. That's very good and much better than any of the equipments that we've used before. So we're looking forward to be able to use more of Caterpillar's equipment. CAT financing has been very, very useful for a small company like ours as we build our track record in the mining industry. But I think this CAT finance and Caterpillar, they can see the potential in us, and we really appreciate that. And we're very fortunate to be able to purchase them and have them in our fleet. And I hope that we can continue to expand and grow together as we take on new projects in the near future.